Good morning, sir. You are Asa Joseph Jones. In cause number 25, DCCR 0963, you're charged with aggravated assault, discharging a firearm recklessly. That's from June 12th of 2025, and that's a first-degree felony offense, which means if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be a minimum 5 years up to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand? And I have here on the tablet a plea bargain rejection that has your signature on it with Mr. Burbanks that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for 25 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial and what your options are if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty. And do you understand all of that?
No.
And do you want to reject this offer and have your case set for trial?
No.
All right, I'll get that done. As far as you know, all the discovery, you have everything?
I have everything.
Okay.
We're not waiting on anything, Judge.
And is there any reason to believe that this offer would change, Mr. Coleman?
Not at all.
I want to make sure you understand, Mr. Jones, that after today, this offer will be off the table. If you change your mind later and want to enter a plea of guilty, you could do that open to the court or to some other plea agreement. But after today, this one's off the table. You understand?
Yes, no.
Okay, we'll get it set for trial. Mr. Burbank will begin preparation.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I'll be out to see you. Is it?
And then you have Kevin Ross.
Yes, Your Honor, I just sent the paperwork.
Okay, I'll take care of it in just a second. Let's get Calvin Randall. I can take care of Calvin Randall for Mr. Eckhart.
Still need to get fingerprinted.
We're just going on 2.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
529.
This is the-
Thank you. I'll need, can you do one for each? It's easier for them. I'm going to mark out the second number if you'll do 1530 on the second one, please. Mr. Smith.
You marked out 15030. I need to write 1530?
Correct. Yeah, 1530 is what that one needs to be. And we're going on multiple counts.
They can both be kept one on the judge. Because they don't get 10.
All right, sir, you're Calvin Randall. And Mr. Eckhart, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment in each case?
We do, Judge.
Mr. Randall, in cause number 24, DCCR 1529, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon on alcohol premises, and I don't know what all those other letters stand for. IATWFZ.
That's the statutory name, Judge. I think it's in a correctional facility or something like that, but it's not applicable here.
Just, I'm looking at the indictment. It says unlawful carrying weapon, alcohol premises, IATWFZ.
I've seen that before.
Weapons free zone.
That's what it is.
Thank you. In a weapons-free zone. All right, and that is from May 17th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with? And then in cause number 24, DCCR 1530, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from May 17th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? Again, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And because you did what they charged you with? I have here on the tablet in each of those cases some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Eckhart? Do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? State tenders number 1 in each case.
No objection in each case.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Randall is not competent?
No.
All right, Mr. Randall, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your pleas. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And in cause number 24, DCCR 1529, finds you guilty of evading arrest or detention. Good grief. That one is the unlawful carrying of a weapon on alcohol premises. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 24, DCCR 1530, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You'll also receive credit on that for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These two sentences will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I will sign as a part of this plea agreement the dismissal in cause number 24, DCCR 1278. In each of these cases, I'm going to hand you the trial court certifications that shows these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. Did I do, I don't think 1529 came through.
Okay.
Would you?
Yes, ma'am.
They're gonna, so also I'm handing you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Eckhart. All right, good luck to you, sir. And we're going to get that other one printed out in just a second. I don't know what's. All right, thank you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. We'll get it to you.